Gentlemen, this is a military planning. This is also known as group planning. We have been given this military planning. There are two trucks in the store. In the truck store, there are checkpoints including cement points, sand hill, and the wooden forest. So what we have to do is we have to build a bridge that is broken at point C, and our time is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the speed of the trucks is 60 kilometer per hour, and it takes 1.5 hours to reach at point E from truck store. So my plan is what I'll tell you afterwards. First of all, gentlemen, you tell me the plan of military planning. What we can do over here.
Okay, gentlemen, my plan is that we had given the planning today, group military planning, and we have given two trucks in the truck store, and we have to take cement, and we have three necessary points from which we take our necessary items. One is cement depot, second is sand hills, and third one is E point from where we take the wooden stocks. And we have the given specific limited time from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. we have to complete the task, at which we have also mentioned the speed of two trucks. The speed of the truck is 60 km per hour, in which we have to load the cement and sand hills and also the wooden stocks. So we have to make in time management that in time we take all the three things which are very necessary to make the bridge which is broken in at the point B. So in two trucks we load out cement, sand hills, and the cement and the pieces of wooden in two trucks, and bring it to the point C where the bridge is broken. So here we repair this bridge.
Okay,
Thank
gentlemen, you may also tell. You may also tell in Urdu if you want to tell.
जनरलमैन, जैसा कि आज का हमें टॉपिक दिया गया है मिलिट्री प्लानिंग, सो हमें इधर इस पॉइंट पे दो ट्रक इधर खड़े हैं और एक ट्रक
आप
खड़ा
प्लान
हुआ है।
बताएं, आपको सब we have
ठीक
been
है,
told
so-
about the instruction. Now
Okay.
you may tell the plan.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें चाहिए कि सीमेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें चाहिए कि ये वुडन सैंड एंड सीमेंट स्पॉट वो हमें इधर लानी चाहिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इधर से भेजेंगे एक ट्रक जो इधर से आएगा तकरीबन 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर। सो उसके बाद सेकंड आएगा। सो यही है।
Gentlemen, according to my plan, two trucks are on the truck store. So we send one truck to the E point from where he carry wooden blocks and go at point where bridge break. And second truck we send from the to carry sands and go at the bridge to construct the bridge.
Right. Hey, anyone else? Now I shall tell my plan at last. Now what we are trying to do is we have to build a bridge. We have been given a time 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. We will send one truck over here, and one truck will load the sand, and other will load the wooden. So both will go over there and bridge that and build that bridge. Okay. Now this is our plan. We will complete our plan at, you can say, 11:30 after we have take all the wooden, all the sand and the cement from point E and point B and point A to the bridge. Once we are done with this all stuff and make the wooden and cement depot sand reach over there, we will start our construction, and all construction will end at 11:30 a.m. Thank you. Gentlemen, you may also tell about the
इधर
plan
हमारे
if you have any
GHQ
plan.
में दो ट्रक्स खड़े हैं। एक ट्रक से हम लकड़ियाँ उठाएंगे यहाँ पे।
आगे ले जाइए।
हमारे दो ट्रक्स खड़े हैं। एक ट्रक हम इधर लेके आएंगे, इधर लकड़ियाँ उठाएंगे और साइड उठाएंगे। हम 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर इधर लेके आएंगे। इधर हमारा पुल जो है बन जाएगा। और एक ट्रक यहाँ से हम इधर से सैंड हिल्स उठाएंगे और उस तरफ से जाएंगे।
Okay, next.
Okay, you may also tell your plan if you have any plan.
Gentlemen, in this group planning, we move one truck from truck store to E point. They will carry wooden blocks, and we will move one truck from this road to Sand Hill area, and they will pick up sand, and after it will move to cement depot. It will carry cement depot and reach at B point where is bridge broken. The second one is truck will move from E point and reach at B point, and it is completed at 11:30. After that, we can make our bridge repairable. That's it.
Okay, now this was the plan that we. ठीक है?
ओके थैंक यू बस सर ठीक है